In this video, I'll guide you through how to make Google Drive files available offline. This is really useful if you're traveling, working somewhere with spotty internet, or you just want to make sure you can always access important documents, even when you're not connected. To get started, you'll need Google Drive for desktop installed on your computer. This is different from just using Google Drive in a web browser. The desktop app lets your files appear directly in a folder on your computer, and that's what makes offline access work smoothly. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from Google's official website by searching for Google Drive for Desktop, then install it following the on-screen instructions. Once that's set up and you're signed in with your Google account, you're ready to go. First, open Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. On Windows, this is usually available from the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen or from the Start menu. On a Mac, you'll usually find it in the menu bar at the top right or in your Applications folder. Opening Google Drive for Desktop will either bring up a small menu or take you straight to the location where your Google Drive folder lives on your computer. Once your Google Drive folder is open, you'll see your files and folders much like you would in the web version, but here they behave like regular files on your computer. Take a moment to locate the file or folder you want to access offline. This could be a document you're working on, a presentation, a spreadsheet, or even a whole project folder. Next, right-click the file or folder you want to make available offline. On most computers, you can do this by clicking with the right mouse button or by using a trackpad gesture like a two-finger click depending on your settings. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Available Offline. The exact wording may appear as a checkbox or a toggle. Click Available Offline to turn it on for that file or folder. When you do this, you're telling Google Drive to store a copy of that item directly on your device, not just in the cloud. After you've clicked Available Offline, the file will begin syncing to your device. You might notice a small icon or status indicator showing that it's downloading. For larger files or big folders, this might take a little while, especially if your internet connection is slow, so it's a good idea to let it finish syncing before you go offline. Once the sync is complete, that file or folder is now stored locally on your computer. This means you can open it, view it, and in many cases, edit it, even if you disconnect from the internet. Any changes you make while offline will usually sync back to Google Drive the next time you're connected, so you don't lose your work. That's all there is to it. Open Google Drive for Desktop, right-click the file or folder you need, click Available Offline, and let it sync. Now you can work with confidence, knowing that your important Google Drive files are ready for you, whether you're online or not.